Yo, I'm Gentry Stein. I'm the current world yo-yo champion. K-Zone is awesome, so let's learn some tricks, K-Zoners. The first trick is the sleeper, but before we throw the yo-yo down, let's make sure the string is connected to our finger correctly. Take the loop at the top of the string and then put the string through the loop, pull it all the way through to create a slip knot. Then we put that onto our middle finger, tighten it up, grab one side of the yo-yo and then the string just a few inches below. Start to wind it around until it grabs. Keep winding it all the way and then rest the yo-yo in your hand with your palm facing the sky and the string going over the top. From there, we're gonna hold the yo-yo up high, throw the yo-yo straight down, make sure it comes out of our hands straight. Watch that yo-yo spin. Now flip the hand over and tug it straight up. Remember, the string is attached to your finger. So when we tug up, we don't want to reach for the yo-yo. The yo-yo is just going to follow. We want to keep our hand nice and still and just close our hand over the top of it when it comes all the way back up. I challenge you to see how long you can get your sleeper to spin. If you can go for at least 10 seconds, you're ready to learn the next trick, the elevator. It looks just like this. We want to throw the yo-yo down, get a nice spin, then push the finger straight into the string. Bring the hand that the string's attached to down below the yo-yo, then just slide the yo-yo all the way to the top and let go. The yo-yo is gonna snap right back to the hand. Be ready to catch. And the third trick is the rocket ship. Throw the yo-yo down, get it to spin, then take the string off your finger, pinch that top of the loop. Now just launch the yo-yo up, let go of the string, and be ready to catch. So it's time to grab my Spin Star yo-yo from Woolworths and start learning.
Hey K-Zoners, thanks for watching this video. If you want to check out more from the K-Zone team, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. K-Zone you later!